A strong earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 6.9 was recorded off northeastern Japan on Tuesday, the U.S. Geological Survey said, and the Japan Meteorological Agency issued a tsunami warning. NHK warned residents 1-meter-high tsunami were expected to hit the coast of Iwate Prefecture at approximately 8:30 a.m. 23:30 GMT. Evacuation orders were issued in parts of Iwate, including the city of Kuji, for people near the coast. No injuries or damage to buildings from the quake had been reported as of 9 a.m., according to the Iwate prefectural government. The quake registered 4 on the Japanese seismic intensity scale of 7 in parts of Aomori, Iwate, Miyagi and Akita prefectures. The quake was measured at a depth of about 10 kilometers 6 miles. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center in Hawaii said there was no danger of a Pacific-wide tsunami. Tohoku Electric Power Company, which operates the Onagawa and Higashidori nuclear plants in nearby Miyagi and Aomori prefectures, said it saw no irregularities at the facilities after the quake. All 48 of Japan's workable nuclear reactors remain offline after the March 2011 earthquake and tsunami triggered the Fukushima No. 1 plant meltdown disaster. A spokesman for Tokyo Electric Power Company, the operator of Fukushima No. 1 and Fukushima No. 2 nuclear plants, said there were no irregularities at the plants. The quake was felt only weakly in the area, he said. Unlisted Japan Nuclear Fuel Limited also said there were no irregularities recorded at its nuclear fuel reprocessing facility or other plants in Aomori. The quake struck at 8:06 a.m. in the Pacific some 210 km 130 miles east of Miyako, Iwate Prefecture, at a depth of 10 kilometers, the agency said. Large areas of the coastline covered by Tuesday's warning were damaged by the 2011 quake and tsunami that killed more than 18,000 people and triggered the Fukushima No. 1 nuclear plant meltdown disaster. Earthquakes are common in Japan, one of the world's most seismically active areas. Japan accounts for about 20% of the world's earthquakes of magnitude 6 or greater.